So we have representatives from the Haitian Community Network. Marc, are you coming up together or separate? Come on down. And after this group, then we have Kim from Festa.
Good evening. Council member, thank you so much for giving us the opportunity to be here this evening representing our community. My name is Marc Fequiere. I am the founder and executive director of the Ohio Haitian Community Network. Our organization started in 2019, right before COVID, and then we had to shut down because of COVID. But with the influx of Haitians coming in Columbus, Ohio, Central Ohio, we've been working hard to ensure that they receive the help and support that they needed. I'm very happy and with the creation of the Refugee Commission for the community in Columbus, Ohio. We hope that this commission will really focus on the need of all immigrants, because immigrant and refugee have a very big impact on the economy of the state. All the jobs that nobody else wants to do, immigrants do them. All the small jobs, all the small businesses that nobody else is thinking about, immigrants create them. We hope that this commission will work to advocate and create policies that will be fair and equitable to support the rights and the well-being of all the immigrants. We are hoping that this commission will create economic empowerment for all immigrants in Central Ohio. We are hoping that this commission will work on protection from discrimination against all immigrants in Central Ohio. And we are hoping that this commission will provide resources and access to information to all immigrants.